Sankardev College kala Pynkut no ya ke jingrakhi week kebala pelong ha kan riu tarik benai jemang arjar penriu. Hagini gesi lawan banyadon lang duba wailat miki shla bari Myntri bari khmi ya transports and youth affairs but ka health and family welfare jong sarkar jilla. Hargat ke jing lang Dr. Yurika FP Lingdo bari principal ke college ki Nonghikai wat ki khna puli haki stream repair. Hagini program Myntri ulayo wan Pynkupburom ya ki Nonghikai da kasernat balayo ruban pensungobha da kijingruai berkijing peninam ya kiriam tenrai jongkathan chatela mingi haba jingkran hagani gisi Myntri long balayo sngobha ya kerteng berkanam ke burom kaba ka Sankardev College kelawan ra hak jela brok kawi bad omdei ban klet ya kinong seng bad kinong prat linti kibla ala ban seng ya kani ka college ke bala paunam Ulong bakom ki kena puli kisgo bakiladu jingkermen ndai kimdai bandu jingkermen namar kalawai kalong ke bapnai bat kum ki kena puli ke hak bandon ya kathong baki kwa ban pendep bat kinlong kita kinong ilam hak jela Myntri ulayathu bahadian balayo pediang ya ka memorandum bansna ya kawai ka basketball court nai principal ulong baladep banyakren bat ki he officer bat penkloy no ya ki jinglut hakabai dei bat kani ka kam bat wan wanra ya ki jingmentoi na ka bentai samla puli jong kani ka college Sankardev College kala Pynkut no ya kejirahi school week kala pelong akan riu tarik na jemang ada riu ke auditorium kepada college agni gisi lawan dan agni gisi lawan dan juga wala Islam dari Myntri dari transport services health and family welfare juga Islam Dr. Yurika Indo college
Dr. Pynkut after the awards have been given. This year was a huge round of applause.
I'm so glad, I'm so happy because I've been hearing so much about the Sankardev College. And I think I would like to take this opportunity to thank the college for their valuable contribution in our state in imparting quality education. So a big round of applause to all of you. Please. And at the same time, I think it is also, we shouldn't forget the people, especially the founder, who have put their vision so that today we could all be here celebrating this college week. So I also to place my sincere thanks to all the founder members, to all the former principals, to all the former professors who have given their valuable contribution. In 2018, when the party and my village of Mukhla showed that support, and with the blessing of my brother-in-law, I contested the 2018 election. At that time, standing against the Goliath of that time, Professor R.C. Lalu, who was the Deputy Chief Minister from Congress, 5-time MLA, and I think most of his tenure as a minister at that time. But with God's blessing, with all the support from my beloved people, then I got through here today. Many a time, you will feel that there is no way out. But you will lose one you decided yourself. So that's why you have to continue trying. And I'm so glad that I'm here standing as a minister, looking after of sports and youth affairs. And I'm so thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister. As you all know that Meghalaya is a very young state. 59% of the population in Meghalaya right now is below the age of 25 years. So that's why it's very challenging. If we won't be able to channelize our youth in the right direction, then we might not have a future tomorrow. So that's why the government, if you see any policy, any scheme, it is youth-centric or youth-related. I'd just like to share with you that how are our focus, where are our priority. 7 years back, the budget allocation for sports and youth affairs is 40 crores annually. That's mean 40 crores, I will build stadium, I will build indoor halls, I will support the basketball court for the different schools and colleges. From that 40 crores, I will pay the salary of the staff. From 40 crores, I will give financial assistance to athletes, I will give financial assistance to coaches, financial assistance to association with that 40 crores. It's very challenging, very hard, and to do the youth-related activities. But this year, the annual budget for sports and youth affairs this year, just recently concluded budget session, is 840 crores. 840 crores, where I could really think to do something for our youth in our state. Even your principal today, I was thinking, why they have invited me out of nowhere? I don't know any teachers out there. I was not a former student there, but she also very chalak. Quietly, when I was sitting there, she was, "Sir, I have one memorandum. I need," because actually there was for the, I think, the shed for the basketball court, which I'm very happy that as a former basketball player, and then all the association was asking me also, I think, I don't know, but I told them that I don't want to do it, but if you want, then I will, because they urging me to take as the state president for the basketball. So I will really love to do it. So definitely I'm already directed my officers that to give me as soon as possible the estimate, how much it will be, and I will get it sanctioned. Definitely, because I want to make my mark something. When I come back again, at least I could point out that is during my time. So definitely I'll try to ask the department to do it as soon as possible. And whatever it is, please respect and give your love to your teachers. They are here who made you. I still remember when I got selected for that student exchange program. I was to submit my passport within a week, and then I have to do tatkal that passport during that time. It was 6,000 rupees. I have to get it from Guwahati. Then I went home, I told them I need 6,000 to get that passport, so I'll go to Japan for that student exchange program. But my mother told me that no, we don't have that money. So you please go to your principal and tell him that you won't be able to go. Sadly, I went back to my principal and I told him that. At that moment he told, no, don't worry, I will give you that money. My principal gave me that money, then I could go to that trip, which later it was an eye-opener and which totally changed my life. So it is all because of our beloved teacher. And if I look at my teacher, he is still a teacher till today. But he made me, I'm a minister of a state right now. So they don't have anything more, but they made us what we are today. So please give your love, give your respect, and please do remember them in your prayer and in your future.